Hi children, today we are going to learn 3.2 continuation problems that is related to prime numbers, composite numbers and co-primes, twin primes. Now, which of the following pairs are co-primes? What are co-primes? If any two numbers having only one as common factor, those two numbers we called co-primes. Means there is no common factor between two numbers, only one. Number 1. 1 is a common factor. Then those two numbers we called co-primes. Now see, what is the first question? 18, 35. Then what are the factors of 18? 1 18s, 2 9s, 3 6s, 35. 1 35s, 7 5s. These are the factors of 18 and 35. Now, what is the common factor? Only one is common factor. Remaining all are not common. Now, common factor is equal to 1. Then, we can say these two are co-primes. So, 18 and 35 are co-primes. Next, 216 and 215. Now these two are consecutive numbers. 215 and 216 are consecutive numbers. What is the meaning of consecutive numbers? Continuation numbers. Means 215, 216. Means 215 after 216. Then we call these two are consecutive numbers. Means 215, 216 are consecutive numbers. Two consecutive numbers always co-primes. Consecutive numbers always co-primes. Two consecutive numbers always co-primes. Next, find the prime and composite numbers between 10 and 30. First we have to write what are the numbers between 10 and 30. Then from that we have to take out which are prime numbers, which are composite numbers. Now, numbers between 10 and 30 is equal to 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. These are the numbers between 10 and 30. Now from this, which are prime numbers, which are composite numbers, we have to write. Prime numbers, composite numbers. Prime numbers means what? Which have only two factors. Those are 1 and itself. Composite numbers means more than 2 factors. Now 11. In 11 only goes. Any number not goes. That means it has only 2 factors, 1 and 11. Then 11 is a prime number. Next 12. 2 goes, 3 goes, 4 goes, 6 goes. Then it is a composite number. 13. Prime number. 14. 2 goes, 7 goes. Then we can say that is a composite number. 15. 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 15 1s are 15. Then more than 2 factors, then 15 also composite. Next 16, 16 also composite because 2 table goes, 4 table, 4 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 8 is a factor. Then 16 also composite. 17, only 17 goes, then that is a prime number. 18, 2 table, 9, 8, 2, 3, 6, 9. These are the factors of 18. More than 2 factors means we call composite. Next, 19, prime number. 20, 2 is a factor, 2 tens are, 4 5s are. So many factors. Then 21 also. 3 sevens are 121s are more than 2 factors. We can call that is a composite. Next 22 also. 23 prime number. 24 composite. 25 composite. 26 composite. 27 also composite. 9 threes are 27. 28 composite. 29 prime number. Then what are the prime numbers between 10 and 30? 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. What are the composite numbers between 10 and 30? 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Next. Express 36 as sum of two odd primes. Here, in this primes, only one even prime, that is 2. Remaining all are odd only, odd numbers, but only one is even prime, that is the 2. Now 36, up to 36 we have to write first prime numbers. Up to 36. What are those? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31. These are the prime numbers below 36. Now, if you add any two prime numbers, you have to get 36. See. Five plus 31. 5 plus 31, 36. 7 plus 29. 7 plus 29, 36. Next. 13 plus 23, 36. Like this we have to write. First we have to write the prime up to 36, because we have to express 36 as sum of two odd primes. Means we have to write up to 36 prime numbers. From that we have to choose any two. That sum must be equal to 36. Now 5 plus 31, 36. 7 plus 29, 36. 13 plus 23, 36. Next, 17 plus 19. 36. Next, write two primes whose difference is 10. Means first we have to write primes up to 100. What are those primes? Between 1 to 100, how many primes? 25 primes. Then first we have to write those 25 prime numbers, and from that we have to choose which two primes difference is 10. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. These are the prime numbers up to 100. From this, we have to choose two primes whose difference is 10. Come on. 7, 17. 7, 17. 7, 17. The difference is 10. Next. 19, 29. 19, 29. 29 minus 19, 10. Next. 31, 41. 31, 41. Next. 61, 71. 73, 83. These are the pairs of two primes whose difference is 10. Then first we have to write 25 prime numbers. From that we have to choose how many pairs you will get as difference 10. Now next one more also we can write 43, 53. 43, 53 also we can write. Next, write 3 pairs of primes less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. First we have to write less than 20 prime numbers. First we have to write primes less than 20. Two, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Whose sum is divisible by 5. Any two numbers if you add, you have to get divisibility by 5. That number divisible by 5. Then what are the divisible by 5 numbers? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 like that. That means if you add any two numbers from this prime numbers, you have to get divisible by 5 number. That means first we can take 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Then 5 goes. 7 plus 13, 20. 5 fours are 20. 13 plus 17, 30. 5 6 are 30. Next, 11 plus 19, 30. 5 6 are 30. Next, 17 plus 3. 17 plus 3. How much? 20. 20 also divisible by 5. Now, these are the pairs of numbers whose sum is divisible by 5. See, what is a pair first? 2, 3 pair. What is a pair? 2, 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 is divisible by 5. Next, 7, 13. 7 plus 13, 20. Divisible by 5. Next, 13, 17. 13, 17, 30. Divisible by 5. Next, 11, 19, 30. It is divisible by 5. 17, 3, 20. 20 is divisible by 5. How many pairs we got? 5 pairs we got. Those are 2, 3, 7, 13, 13, 17, 11, 19 and 17, 3. Now this is the exercise 3.2.